Hello beautiful! Today I'm going to show you how to do this modern glam makeup. Hope you'll enjoy. Okay, let's begin. Nothing looks worse than cakey makeup, therefore, let's add some primer to our lids to eliminate any hint of creasing. Now we can go on to eyeshadow application. Start off with a neutral color, which you'll have to apply to the whole lid, including the underbrow area. I personally love when the highlight color pops out. Therefore, apply some shimmery white eyeshadow to your brow bone. Moving on to the 66 lip palette, we're going to use the brown lip color to outline the sketch of our eye makeup. Lip colors are easier to remove than eye pencils, therefore I really love using those. Create somewhat of an outer V first, and then transform it into the turned C letter. Okay, so it is time to fill in our makeup design. First, add some dark brown color to your sketch. And then use a lighter brown color to smoke everything out, and thus create a smooth transition from the darkest color to the lightest one. The next step is optional, but you can also add some dark brown color to the outer corner of your lower lash line. Add some eyeliner to our look. First, apply some black gel eyeliner to your waterline, and then apply a thin line close to your upper lash line. Switch the gel eyeliner to a liquid one, and using it create a curvy design on the brownish part of your eye makeup. Use dots to outline the brown part first, and then draw some curved lines to spice up your look. Before we finish our eye makeup routine, let's add some glam to our look by applying some rhinestones in a random order. Then just curl your lashes, add a strip of falsies, and finally apply some black mascara. To finish off your look, add some peachy blush to your cheeks and some peachy pink lipstick to your lips. And that's the final look. Please subscribe if you want to get updates when my new videos come out. For more makeup related info, please follow me on Twitter, Blogger, and Facebook. All links are below. Here are some of my other tutorials you might be interested in. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.